12 days to you out there, beloved. How's your day going? God bless you. Thanks for tuning in as usual to join us on the AVAD channel. A verse a day. We would be going into the scripture right about now to discuss the content of episode 34. Yes, God bless you. Thanks for your support thus far. We would remain on the 43rd chapter of the book of Prophet Isaiah, and today we would be reading the 9th verse. The book of Prophet Isaiah, chapter 43, verse 9. Let all nations be gathered together, and let the people be assembled. Who among them can declare this, and show us former things? Let them bring out the witnesses, that they may be justified, or let them hear and say, it is truth. God is saying that bring people from all ages, bring people from all climes, from whatsoever background, and let them come. Let them be assembled, let them come together, let them come and say it. If you can see someone who can declare the former things, the things that have passed, and I dare say again, let them come and tell us what would happen in the present and in the future. We know the God that we serve, He is the Alpha and the Omega and the in-between. God is saying that you would not see someone who would be able to tell you about the past, tell you about the present, and is going to tell you what faith stands ahead of you or the future that awaits you. So God is saying that you should seek no one else. You should have no exclusive devotion to any other person or group of persons except the only one that can tell you the things of old, that is able to change the now to give you a future that you yourself will be amazed what He is able to do with you. He's not interested about the things that are past. What he's interested is in you making the decision to love Him entirely with all that you have got, and He's going to make you a wonder unto many, because you have a refuge in Him. You have Him beautifying your life at all times, pruning you, processing you to be the best version of yourself. So He's saying that there is no witness that would be able to justify that there is such a person, I beg your pardon, that would be able to tell you things that have passed, things that are yet to come, and such a person is only God. So you can't see that kind of person anywhere. He is the maker of the world. He is the one who has given the scriptures unto us as our holy manner, a compendium of life in the kingdom. So why not just surrender all to Him? Why not settle every situation, every circumstance from the standpoint of the Master? Because He is the only one that can steer you in the right direction. This is what the Lord will have us share together today. If this has so much blessed your heart, why don't you make same available to people all around you as we continue our intentional work in the cyberspace to continue to make godly alternatives available to everyone a verse a day. Shalom. Until I come your way the next time, please keep deepening your knowledge in God. God bless you. Shalom.